SanRenMu 710 stainless. I'm still on vacation, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you guys a little close-up of this very inexpensive, very nice pocket folder. This is probably the most popular SanRenMu there is. This is what a lot of people refer to as the poor man's Sebenza. Because it is similar in a lot of ways. The general shape and function, the locking mechanism, the size is similar to a small Sebenza. Although the Sebenza has a titanium frame, this is all stainless. Also, the Sebenza is made of S30V steel, whereas this is made of the Chinese 8CR13MOV steel, which is equivalent to the Japanese AUS8. This is tip down carry, right side only, and very nice construction. Little laser etching on the opposite side of the clip. Very smooth, very fast opening. Hollow ground blade, razor sharp. Thumb studs on both sides. Very solid locking. Very smooth opening and closing. Ball bearing detent that assists in both opening and closing, as well as keeping the blade in its place in the folded position. That's a lanyard hole, which I normally like to have a lanyard. In pocket knives I have lanyard holes, but this is my backup that I'm carrying this week, so no lanyard hole. Very solid lockup, no movement whatsoever. Good jimping in the back. Nice finger choil where the frame lock is. Gives you very good purchase on the blade. Hex screws for disassembly and reassembly. Retails for about $10. You can find it on eBay. Lots of other video reviews are available online. This will just be one of the many, and this is my take on the SanRenMu 710 stainless. Thank you very much.